Hello students, today I am going to start question number 3 of exercise 11.1. Now question number 3 says find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meters square. This is the rectangular plot of land of area 440 meters square, and the length of this rectangular plot is given, which is 22 meter. This is the length of the rectangular plot, okay, and this is the breadth. So here we will have to find the breadth of the rectangular plot, okay. So here area is given. So area of a rectangular plot is 440 meters square. Now how to find the area of a rectangular plot? Now if the figure is given in the shape of a rectangle, then how to find the area? It's side into side, length into breadth. This is the length, okay, this is the length and this is the breadth. So area will be length into breadth. This is the formula of finding the area of a rectangle. Now here area of rectangular plot. So according to the formula, we can write in this place, we can write L into B, right? This is the formula of a rectangular plot, which is equals to 440 meters square. This is the area of rectangular plot. Now here length is given, so in place of length we can write 22, and rest everything will remain same as it is. Only in place of length we have put 22, okay. Now from here we will have to find the breadth of a rectangular plot, because this is not given to us. So what will be the breadth? Breadth should be alone here, and we will have to just transpose 22 to another side. Now this is given in multiplication form, so after going to another side it will be division. So what will be the value of B? It's 440 divided by 22. Cleared? Now 22 2s are 44 and 1 0, so it's 20. So the value of B is 20 meter. So the breadth of the rectangular plot for rectangular plot will be 22 meter. Okay. Now here we will have to find its perimeter. We will have to find the perimeter of a rectangular plot. Now perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter, how to find the perimeter? If these two are length, okay, these and these are length and these are breadth. So if you add this all, what would you get? It's L plus B plus B. This is the perimeter. Now from here to L and from here to B. Now if you take out 2 from there, then it will be L plus B. So this is the formula of finding perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter, now perimeter of a rectangular plot is 2 into length plus breadth. Now length is 22 and breadth is 20. Just now we have got length is given to us, 22 meter is the length of a rectangular plot, and breadth we have just now we have got, which is 20 meter. So we have just put in place of L and B. Now 2 into 2, after 2 if bracket is there, that means 2 is multiplied by whole. Now if you add this, 2 plus 0 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So 2 multiplied by 42, so 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So it's 84 meter. So perimeter of a rectangular plot will be 84 meter. So this was all about question number 3. Now moving on to the question number 4. Now question number 4 says the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 cm. If the length is 35 cm, find its breadth. Also find the area. Now the perimeter of a rectangular sheet means this is the rectangular sheet. Now perimeter is given means the boundary, the total length of this sheet the total length of this sheet is 100 centimeter. Okay, perimeter means the total length. Now length is 35 centimeter. Now which one is length out there? The bigger one is length. So this is the length and the shorter one is called breadth. Okay, so length is given, length is 35 centimeter. We will have to find the breadth, and after finding breadth we will have to find the area. So let's start. So perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Okay, now here what is the formula of finding the perimeter of a rectangle? Twice into length plus breadth. So we'll just write the formula under the perimeter. So it's 2 into length plus breadth, which is equals to 100. 100 is the perimeter. Now here length is given, so all will remain same. Only in place of length, in place of L, we'll put 35 and rest everything will remain same. Your length is 35 centimeter. Now how to solve this? At first, since 2 is outside of the bracket, so at first we will just take out 2 from there. We'll just transpose 2 to right hand side and everything will remain same. So if you just remove 2 from there, then what will be there on the left hand side? 35 plus b. Now here we can see that 2 is multiplied by whole. That means it is given in multiplication form. So after going to another side, it will be division. So 100 is there on the right hand side. If you just transpose 2 to right hand side, it will come down. It will be 100 divided by 2. Now 35 plus b is equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100. So 35 plus b is equals to 50. Now what will be the value of b? B only we will have to find, right? Breadth of a rectangular sheet. So what will be b here? So since we are finding the value of b, so 35 should be, b should be alone and 35 should be transposed to right hand side. Now it is given in addition form. So after going to that side, it will be minus. So 50 is there on the right hand side. So 50 minus 35. 35 is going to another side. So plus 35 will be minus 35. So b will be 10 minus 5 is 5. So 5 will be 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it's 15 centimeter. So the breadth of a rectangular sheet is 15 centimeter. Okay, so in the first part we had to find the breadth. What we have got 15 centimeter. Okay, so this we have got. Now next we will have to find the area. So what will be the area? Therefore area will be length into breadth. Length of a area of a rectangular sheet, area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So length is 35. Length is 35 centimeter, right? And breadth is 15 centimeter. So we will multiply this to 35 multiplied by 15. 15 5s are 75. 5 7 carry. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7 is 52. So it's 525 and centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So area of a rectangular sheet will be 525 centimeter square. Okay. So this was all about question number 4. Thank you, students.